5 tips for female arousal. Hi, I'm Rebecca. In this educational video, we'll be discussing some important tips for female arousal. Number 1, taking care of her emotions always comes before taking care of the emotion. If her mind isn't into it, it won't allow her body to get into it. Number 2, the longer the action, the stronger the reaction. Women like a slow and steady build-up. It's no accident that female genitals have these mysteriously hidden parts because they need the time it takes to properly tend to them. Number 3, what you do outside the bedroom is at least as important as what you do inside the bedroom. To make her feel special, do something special for her. Giacomo Casanova was an unattractive man without money or power, yet he could have anyone he wanted, since he treated every moment as special as if he were going to propose. Number 4, a woman appreciates being nurtured because it makes her feel like you want her, not just sex. This means be attentive. Send her a little text through the day to let her know that you're thinking about her. Help her out at home. Warm up her feet with cuddly socks. Heat her robe in the dryer. All these will make her feel special, which will make her more open during sex. Finally, number 5, no two women are alike. If it ain't working, move on to something else. She knows her body better than anyone else. So pay attention. Ask for directions. Work with her versus pushing what you feel has worked on someone else. For more instruction, join me for one of my workshops. And please contact me for counseling if you want to improve your sex life, because I'm a clinical sexologist and a board-certified sex therapist. Thanks for watching. Now, don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already done so. And check out my website, talkwithrebecca.com, for lots of great articles and to follow me on social media for daily tips.